Greetings traders, it's Tuesday. I've got a short position here. Be right back. Okay, stop set to 74.62. I just checked, all the codes are saying go short. Didn't realize that. Coming in late here, so yeah, we're looking really super good. All the codes are saying go short. We should drop out here. Take a look at the 10-minute again. Yep, it's going straight down. And then on the daily, okay, hasn't even gone red yet. I'll come back. Okay, daily is getting really close here to going red. Yeah, it's looking really good because we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3 code 2s saying go short now. And it hasn't even gone red yet. So it's got a lot of room to run down here. I should be going for a 100 tick trade on this one. But let me see how it acts. If it gets down to the 60 ticks relatively quickly, I'll go ahead and push it for 100 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the exit down a bit here to 100 ticks. 74.38 is entry. So we need to take it down to 73.38. For 100 ticks. 73.38 for 100 tick trade. I'll come back. Okay, I've just reversed the position. I'm now long in the position. I have a code 2 long entry here. I'll be right back. I'm going to set the stop. Okay, stop set to 74.24. If that stop were to get hit, I would take it short. I'll be back. Okay, it's starting to move higher here. I'm just thinking about going for just 60 ticks on this trade and just calling it a day after that. I maybe could go for 100 ticks. Let me see, what's the bar? 75.03. Right. 75.02 is the high on the bar. My exit's currently at 74.99. Let me just leave it there. I'm just going to go for 60 ticks. I'll be back. It's almost to the exit here for 60 ticks. Considering going for more. Oops. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, take it up to 74.39, 75.39 for 100 ticks. $75.39 for a 100 tick trade. Let's see if we can make it. I'll come back. But the way you make 100 tick trades is to go for 100 tick trades. And there is a pretty good chance that it could make it because look at the daily, looking good. You can stretch out and go up a bit higher and go make the exit up there. I'll come back. But it's a risk. You know, it's a risk. I mean, I could get out right here if I wanted to and just take the profit right here and run. But the way that you make big trades is to go for them. And also the codes themselves allow you to hit the big trades. And that's what I'm doing here. Trying to go for a big trade using the code 2. And so far so good. Just need to make it a bit further. I'll come back. Okay, I have just exited the trade. I'm going to re-enter again. If it keeps moving up, I'm going to re-enter again and take another long position. I'll be back. But that's based upon another code, though, of course. I'm using now a code 2 special. I'll be back. Okay, I am back, and I'm going to call it a day today. I didn't take any trades here, any further trades. And I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. Tomorrow the news will be coming out. It will be using a Newsday entry using the code 2. And today, hope all of you code traders did well today, especially you charting subscribers. And the codes were relatively easy today. They just didn't go very far. Couldn't get a whole lot out of them. But they were easy as far as the entry goes. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. Hope all of you code traders are doing fantastic. You should be doing pretty well. When the market opens up more, we can start hitting these 100-tick trades, then we'll be doing fantastic. I will see you tomorrow. Happy trading, everyone.